Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these peppermint candy cane brownies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, make sure it's heat proof and place in your butter, then place this in the microwave and melt on 30-second increments until it's fully melted, looking something a little like this. So this for me was about a minute and 10 seconds. Then you can go ahead and add in your cocoa powder, and just be careful with this because I often place cocoa powder in a bit rough and it goes everywhere. Then whisk with the butter and mix until it's fully incorporated. Once it's fully incorporated, it will be much smoother and glossier in colour and consistency. This is what you're looking for. Then go ahead and add in the sugar and whisk this in until it's fully incorporated. You will notice that this makes the mixture much more granular. Don't worry, completely normal, and it will alleviate as we work our way through the recipe. Just keep whisking. Once that's incorporated, then add in your your mint coffee syrup and your eggs. The coffee syrup is morning and it's just a syrup for coffee. It works really well in hot chocolate as well. Just whisk that in until it's fully incorporated, then add in your flour followed by the chocolate chips, and then mix everything together until it's fully incorporated. I did forget to mention the peppermint candy cane bits that I bought, so just add those in as well and mix until it's fully incorporated. And once you see no traces of a single ingredient, you can stop mixing, as you do not want to overwork a brownie mixture. Then take your 9x9 inch brownie pan, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and transfer the brownie batter into that, getting as much from the bowl as possible. So give it a good scrape and just get it in there, then jiggle it around, spread and level it out, and this will help with the consistency of baking. Before it goes in the oven, I like to top mine with some dollops of chocolate spread, and this is just to add a pretty pattern on top, and it adds so much more to a brownie than just making it a basic brownie, because that is quite boring, I won't lie. Once you've got your dollops on top, you can then go ahead and take a knife and swirl it all around until you're happy with the pattern. And it's really just a little bit of artwork, it doesn't really add too much, but if you don't want to add it then don't, but that will affect the baking times. Then to finish it, just sprinkle over some of the candy cane pieces. These are peppermint flavoured, so you do get a lot of peppermint with these brownies, but they work really well. Here's what they look like before they go into the oven, and I added mine before as they work really well. And they don't go too firm, which is great. Once it's baked, you can then go ahead and cut it up. I recommend leaving it to cool, then chill in the fridge until needed. I like to leave mine for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. I cut mine into 9 pieces, but you can cut yours into as many or as few as you would like. The choice is really up to you. Here's what they look like. You've got that peppermint candy cane on top, and it is studded throughout with the chocolate chips. These are a really good brownie and really quick and easy to make. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.